with Punky Color to do a hair transformation. I already went ahead and bleached my hair with Punky Color's Lightning Fast Bleach Kit. So on this side, I'm going to be using Punky Color's 3-in-1 Color Depositing Shampoo in the shade Diamondista. On this side, I'm going to be using Punky Color's Semi-Permanent Hair Color in the shades Turquoise and Bright Yellow. So I'm going to be using this barrier cream. The reason why I'm putting this, I want to protect my forehead and make sure I don't get any color stains on it. So not only am I going to be protecting my forehead from any color, I'm also going to be protecting my clothes and of course my skin. So make sure you put some gloves on and something to protect your clothing and shoulders. Since I am doing half and half hair dye, I'm going to be sectioning my hair straight down in the middle.
Might as well break. We want fame, but first you need to learn your name. It's coming fast, so don't look back. Enjoy the ride and just relax. You're going far, yeah, you're a star. You just don't know yet who you are. We're gonna rock this place till the stage.
I'm gonna let this sit in my hair for 15 minutes and I'll be right back. So I already rinsed with cold water, so I'll be right back after it's styled.
It might as well break. We want fame, and we want you to learn your name.
So here we have the final result. I'm completely obsessed. I'm in love with how the turquoise came out, the bright yellow, and we cannot forget about Diamondista. She's a complete game changer. So if you want to shop any of the colors that we used today in the video, go ahead and go on punky.com, and I'll see you guys next time.